Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to watch birds. So what you wanna do is gotta get a hat, put it on your head, and then gotta get out in the forest where there's like, no people or anything, houses nearby. Then you gotta find some binoculars, just on a branch or something. Go put them out. Gotta get the string around your neck. Alright, that's good. Okay, so you're just gonna walk around, look for some birds. You don't want to be by any houses or anything. You just want to be out in the wilderness, because birds don't like houses unless it's a birdhouse. But those aren't very good birds. We're gonna find some bald eagles and phoenixes and stuff. I don't know. So when you use these binoculars, you gotta use both eyes and look into here. It might seem weird because there's like a telescope, you use one, but you just look into there and it's closer. You don't. Hey, look, a dog. Hi, doggy. I know we're not going bird watching, but yeah. I mean, we are going bird watching, but we're not going dog watching. So we're just gonna get away from the dog. Now we're just gonna walk over here. Just get away from that. Because, dogs scare away birds. The dog is after me. Gotta get over. Gotta get away from the dog. Someone got 7 kills. It's called in a dog tag. He's gonna get me. It's getting closer. Can't hear it because it's a quiet dog. Gotta get away. Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh crap. Dead end. I might as well go into this dense forest. Nothing could go wrong in here. It's alright. Got my binoculars. I can see things coming from a mile away. Looks like there's a clearing. Oh, shoot! Ow. I think I lost the dog. I don't know where I am though. There's mud. Okay, I gotta end the video because batteries are in low. I gotta save it so I can play Angry Birds or something. Bye.
1, 2, 3, yeah! Baby! Sassy!